Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Muhammad AMIERUL HAZIEQ bin HAFIZ, ID number MDB20003.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is YUSUF. My ID is MDB 2001004.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is ARIFAH binti ZAMARI. My ID number is MDB 2001015.
Hi, my name is ARISSA NADIRAH binti Muhammad SOFIAN. My ID number is MDB 2001016.
Hi, my name is SYAMIMI binti NAWAWEE. My ID number is MDB 2001017.
As you may already know, Amazon is the largest e-commerce company in the world. So the importance of project management is about application of skills, knowledge and technique to project activities to meet the requirement. Amazon do a lot of things, by which one of them provide 250,000 warehouse workers with help from 100,000 robots. Amazon also avoid bad words from outsiders that might affect the company's performance. Following public criticism, Amazon pledged to be a better employer and ensure responsibility. So why is project management important to Amazon? It is because customer comes to expect consistent fast delivery on their product that they bought from Amazon. Besides, Amazon make their project management important by ensure risk management are properly managed to avoid becoming issues. For example, Amazon has patents for GPS-enabled wristband that could track workers' movement and breaks. Any incidents or anytime something happens, Amazon teams comes together and figure out what happened. So other than that, realistic project planning is important because it ensures proper expectations that are set around what can be delivered. So Amazon is changing people expectation and they are perpetually improving those expectations.
Next, we move to Amazon planning deliver on one-day shipping. So, what and why Amazon provides one-day delivery? As we know, Amazon has introduced day delivery. Basically, their delivery is 2 days to all customers. Amazon Day Delivery is a free shipping benefit. Specifically for Prime members or Prime delivery, the shipping becomes shorter, which only takes 1 day to complete the delivery since 2005. This also aims to satisfy customers by only paying Prime for every year and every month only. Amazon wants to create consistent fast delivery for all types of purchases that we deliver in 2 days. Not only that, the budget the Amazon state for their delivery in the world is 10 of billion on shipping for every year, and Amazon also setting aside 800 million in the second quarter of 2019 just to produce daily delivery as the norm to increase the sale day by day. Next method for completing project. Amazon bought a robotic company worth about $775 million in 2020. They will also check out some high-tech maintenance to streamline their final delivery. In addition, Amazon bought a small business as a provision of delivery service by having flex delivery fees obtained from public sources. Not only that, they raised the minimum wages to all 350,000 US workers is more than double the federal minimum wages of 7.25 per year. Last one is Amazon achievement. Amazon now available more than 10 million products in warehouse. They have at least 50 planes, 300 semi-trucks, 2,000 delivery vans, and is also operate between the USC Transport Service and China. They also managed to build a $1.8 million a limit in Northern Kentucky with a capacity of 108 cars.
I would like to expose about the project scheduling in Amazon. By following this table, I have three simple processes that Amazon use, which is first is customer order, second packaging start at warehouse operation, and the final process is shipping product to customers. Alright, we first we go to the customer order. The process of fulfilling an item in a single day begins when a customer search for a product on Amazon. Amazon has built up a set of extremely efficient data communication flows in system with ERP softwares communicating to each other in microseconds through constant capital investment and operating expenditures in technology. Amazon spends about 8 billion in the first quarter of 2019 on technology and content. This client purchase is nearly immediately delivered to Amazon's warehouse where supplies products are stored. There are hundreds of employees that follows a strict schedule. Alright, next we're gonna look at second simple process in Amazon, which is packaging start at warehouse operation. Amazon warehouse operation is a matrix environment in which machines and humans collaborate. Thousands of rectangular flush robots called Pegasus delivers items to human operators who wrap them in pre-cut boxes, wrap them in via machine, and slap a label on them. The goods is then scanned before being delivered to Amazon's third-party logistic partner's vehicle. It should be mentioned that while the company packaging is still predominantly human, based on various motion and time studies, humans' actions are practically robotic with no waste movement. Alright, lastly, we're gonna look at shipping product to customer. Amazon spends exactly $8.6 billion on fulfillment. Amazon collaborates with 3PL service providers such as UPS and US Postal Service for shipping and last mile delivery. And many of these 3PL service providers such as UPS utilize complicated route and capacity optimization technologies to ensure that your shipment is delivered on time or even ahead of schedule. Amazon is also actively investing in its own logistic business, such as Amazon Air, which has over 50 Boeing 767 and 737 planes. They also have a cargo ship that travels between the United States and China. Right, what is project controlling? Project controlling can be referred to monitors, resources, cost, quality, and budgets, revises plans and shift resources to meet time and cost demands. Alright, now we're gonna look at how Amazon monitors their quality. Alright, the first is by developing the fast delivery, most of the investment is headed towards infrastructure and shipment costs associated with speeding up delivery to millions of customers. Second, after an item is ordered and prepared at one of Amazon centers around the world, the package is selected, packaged, and shipped by its 250000 experienced warehouse workers with the help of 100,000 robotic technology. However, to ensure the quality care, Amazon is still thinking of ways to have at least a continuous human touch. Alright, third, Amazon is building an electric drone that can fly up to 15 miles and deliver items in less than 30 minutes to facilitate final shipments. The last one is warehouse workers on Amazon could likely be laid off if they not work efficiently. The proof is Amazon has said that its company has laid off 300 of its employees between 2017 to 2018 for inefficiency. Alright, next we're gonna look how Amazon monitors their costs. Alright, the first is by cutting the cost. To better control this process, Amazon reduced its reliance on UPS and US Postal Service and invested heavily in its own logistic network. It can also control the cost of production for the company. Alright, the second one is train its employee. Amazon announced that its company will spend 100 million to retain 1/3 of the US workforce to move them to more advanced jobs. Finally, they are also able to include an experienced and trained warehouse. Alright, next we're gonna look the three step how Amazon monitors their costs by alerting resources. Amazon pays to outsource to many long distance shipment to carriers like UPS and USPS. The more Amazon can store the long distance shipping, the more it can control this cost. Alright, the last one is using his own transportation facilities, some boxes and shipped through one of the shipping agency. However, using his own transportation facilities, some boxes are shipped through one of the shipping agencies. However, Amazon still wants to cut costs by shipping items in at least using its own 300 trucks. This is the way Amazon controls the cost. Alright, next, we're gonna look at how Amazon monitors their budget. Alright, the first is, in some cases, Amazon buys inventory from third parties and then sells it to consumers. This makes it easier for Amazon to determine its budget. The last one is, on the company's plans, Amazon will contribute $10,000 if full-time employees wants to leave the company and start their own package delivery service. This aims to increase the number of partners.
So today, I will present about the project management technique. So the first one is customer order. Customer order is the process of fulfill an item in a single day start from the time when the customer start searching the product on Amazon. So most items on Amazon are sold directly to customer by the third party, which is supplier. If the customer cancel the order, the item will give back to the supplier. The second one is fulfillment center. At the same time, after the end item is ordered by customer, it will ready at the one of Amazon fulfillment center around the global at the same day. It pick, pack, ship by some warehouse worker with help from robot. At fulfillment center also, we can see that workers preparing the package on the couple million square feet of floor space. The third one is sortation center. After the order leaves the fulfillment center, it will must get across the country or world to another warehouse in customer region. In this center, they segregate the item according the shipping that the customer choose, which is standard shipping, one-day delivery, or prime now. If the customer choose one-day delivery, the process will make at the same day that the day the customer placed the order. The next technique is UPS and US Portal Service, which is if the customer from overseas or foreign country, they will use either last mile or long distance delivery. UPS also use the compact route and capacity optimization tools so that the order is delivered to customer just in time or just before time. The last technique is delivery to the customer. If the customer is the same country, the process delivery will make at the same day or the next day. To make the process be quickly, Amazon use the small business partner, which is some delivery out of Amazon Van, and Amazon also have Amazon Flips. Besides, if the customer house is nearby warehouse, Amazon use the side work robot called Scoot to bring the package to the right of customer door.
So here are the process scheduling. The first step is getting order by the customer. In a few seconds, by using the application that have been made from Amazon, the consumer can click the purchase button to purchase the item. So the warehouse workers can notice from the orders. Second step is the warehouse workers start doing the distribution. A total 75,000 employees and 100,000 technology help separate the items and pack the items to be delivered to another warehouse near the customer chain within one day. The third step is the packaging start to deliver to nearest warehouse. When the packaging are arrived at the nearest warehouse, the delivery workers start to stand by to pick the packaging from the warehouse to the customer's door. So the final step is delivery time. After the item arrive at the nearest warehouse to be delivered, the delivery worker will bring it and deliver the item in front of the door of the user's house. There are various delivery methods used such as drone and scout technology.